Jacob, and today we are back once again to play some maps. And today we have Daniel.
Hello guys. Whoa.
Hey, let's leave Daniel. Oh, let's leave Daniel.
What?
Let's leave. You go outside. Your bed is outside.
Oh, really?
Is there something inside? Don't break anything, Daniel. Okay? So let's leave. Let's leave. Daniel.
Oh!
You crashed. Oh, there's good things. Thank you, Daniel, for giving me. Daniel, let's leave. So,
I can't go inside.
Daniel lagged off. I'm so sorry about the Wi-Fi, guys. And I'll be back while Daniel will join me. So, Daniel's back with me. And I'll read the rules, Daniel. Don't go anywhere. Let's read the rules.
There is
Enchantment table. I didn't make this, Daniel.
a...
Histories. I think this is Españoles. So, you need to find your dog. Some friends will help you. They are on islands. Find the key to the first islands. Sand key. Start at 1, then go to 2, 3. Objectivo. Find your dog. MC did incredible translation. Thank you. Set difficulty to max. Oh no, Daniel. I think we're gonna fight mobs. Don't break anything except sand. Always play during night. Okay, Daniel, don't sleep. Let's go. Daniel, follow me. Where are you? Follow me. We need to stick together. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, Daniel! Kill them all! Oh, Daniel! No! Daniel! So, kill that zombies. Oh, there's Enderman. The strongest. Oh, they have iron shovel. Right, Daniel. I'll enchant my sword. I have 1,000 level. I don't know why. Oh, I can't enchant. I don't know why I have 1,000 level, Daniel.
You're doing cheat.
No, I didn't cheat. I think that's when I logged in. It was. Don't look at the Enderman. Don't look at the Enderman. Daniel. Yeah, fall down inside the hole. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. Here. Oh, I'm not gonna give you.
Another thing.
Yeah, this is only what I got. I'm so sorry, Daniel. So I think there's a creeper. There's a zombie. Let's make a. Wait. Daniel, there's emerald.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. Don't go there first. Daniel, we need to find the key. In here. Daniel, don't go inside there first.
Why?
Oh, there's creeper.
Boom.
I'm gonna turn off the difficulty.
Why?
Daniel, faster. Come here. We need to go there first. We need to find the sand.
There is.
Did you find?
There is sand in here.
Don't get it from there. Don't get it from there. It's inside the chest. Daniel, don't go there. That's number 2. We need to finish number 1 over there.
I see.
No, not there. Inside the house. Inside there. What we went. I think we need to go. We need to find a key. The key is a sand, Daniel. Oh, I think I know. Is that? I don't know what.
Whoa.
Can we make the jump? What? Oh, I can't go out. No, there is a way. There's vines. Wait, Daniel, we need to find the key. How can we find the key?
There's sand. We should get that sand.
No, you're not allowed. They say don't cheat.
It's not cheating.
It's cheating, Daniel. It's out of the rule. So, let's go inside the house then. Let's go inside the house. Let's find some clues.
Sand. Don't you know?
Don't get.
We should get.
What is the song? So let's get some. Daniel, look at in my hand. Don't get, Daniel. Really. You need to find the sand. Not like that. Daniel! That's not sand, dude.
It's sand.
That's sandstone. That's sandstone.
I know.
There's no sand here. Okay, find a potion. Let's go. Wait, I need to turn on the max difficulty. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, jeez. Oh, Daniel, can you make that jump? Daniel, not there. Not in the house. Here, Daniel. Oh, you're scary. Daniel, can you make the jump?
Oh!
Bye-bye. You lost. Oh!
Let's go.
We lost everything, Daniel.
남자들이랑.
So let's go. Not there. You need to make the jump. Sprint, Daniel, okay? Sprint. Jump. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna make this jump. Hood! No! This is so hard.
야 이거 빨리 이거 덮쳐봐. 사람이야.
Daniel, you have items? Daniel, how can we make this jump?
Let's go. 남자 사람들 위로.
No! Come on, Daniel. So
I have sword.
yes, how do you find a sword?
Yeah, please. Oh, let's go.
Daniel, I don't know how are we gonna do this.
Oh, how?
But yeah, this one.
야, you should jump over. 어떻게?
I don't know. 나 몰라. 너무 어려워.
이거 아닌 것 같은데?
예, 맞아. 이 포션 찾으라고 했잖아. 그럼
맞아.
길이 이렇게 연결돼 있잖아. 저기까지. 너 저기 보이지, 체스트.
어.
거기까지 가야 된다고.
어떻게 가 여기?
몰라.
저기 물까지 점프해야 되나? 물에 점프해가지고 저 사다리 타고 올라가야 돼.
아, 근데 문제가 떨어져. I can't do this, guys, because no.
Okay.
Do that then. It's really hard.
Let's 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Rock! See, you'll land here. Oh, yeah.
타고 올라가야 돼.
Very hard, right, Daniel?
Yes, it is.
Run! Okay, I think. Go, go, go. Up, up, up! No!
You do?
No, I just died.
Jump!
Good luck, Daniel.
Fall! Oh, pretty hard.
Up! Up, 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 up! Up, no!
Oh, it's so hard.
So hard. Yeah, you need to balance.
왜 거기서 스폰데?
What? I spawned there.
나 거기서 스폰 안 되는데?
왜냐면 네가 멀티플레이스 그럴걸. 난 스폰데 원래 그렇게 거기 있었어. 저 데니어 나 아니 안 썼어. 아 데니어.
Jump!
It's very hard. I warn you.
Jump! Fall!
Oh god. Let me put this back.
어떻게 이거?
So. Oh wait. 얘가 하나 부서질까? 못 부서지. 안 되지.
어쩔 수 없이 해서
안 돼, 안 돼, 안 돼.
어쩔 수 없어.
나 어차피 해도 뭐 상관은 안 돼. 나 뛰고 있다. 그래서 다른 거다. Okay, so jump.
Bump!
Wait. Okay, I will actually do this. Then only one, okay?
진짜 점프하려면 아니 이거 뛰려면 이거 좀 부숴야 돼. 앞에 좀 뛰려면 제대로 뛰어가야 되는데 이게 앞에 장애물 있어서.
Okay, Daniel, no more, okay? No more. It's cheating now. What are you doing? Wait. I think that's available, Daniel. Ah, na yan. Get out. No!
Where are you going?
I will kick your ass. So, oh no!
Let's go.
I broke something, guys. So, go! Do it! Oh, I did it. Oh, I David Copperfield it. Okay, Daniel did it. Wait, Daniel. I will use one cheat.
What was this?
Set spawn point. Now I think you will spawn here, maybe. So,
we should go in.
orange sand. No, Daniel. We don't have the sand. Oh no.
We should get that sand. Like I told you.
What?
Orange sand?
Yeah. I think it's from the there we can't do. I think there. Remember they say collect the sand, Daniel?
Yes. Where are we going?
To get the potion, but the jumps are really hard.
Oh.
Oh, I did the jump.
포션 가져왔어?
What is that? Oh, leaping potion, Daniel. My difficulty is the hardest. Wait, I need to change to the night because they say. So it's night, Daniel. I have the potion. Oh, we can't get melon. Hello, pig.
Give me.
Wait, no, don't use it yet. Let's get the sand. I think we need it later. Then Daniel, don't get that.
We should get it.
You're not allowed.
I can. Because we should eat.
No, you don't. You're not allowed. They already give food. You're not allowed to break anything. We need to get it from there. Oh God.
우리,
Oh!
야, 오렌지 컬러 그거 넣어 빨리.
I don't have.
아 진짜.
You need to get it from there. I don't have though. So.
야 아까 있었잖아. 그게 상자에서 꺼냈었어 니.
아, 그거 오렌지 사운드 아니야? 그 아까 그거야 포션이잖아.
아니야 한 개 있었어.
그 레빗 푸트야, 레빗 푸트. 먹이야. So I'll go here. Wait, I will be back, Daniel. After I get the sand.
I'll be back.
Bro, Daniel, I see a skeleton. Oh, I found it! I found it! Wait, I know where it is now.
I'll be back.
Look at Daniel, look at this.
I'll be back.
So, I have it, Daniel, now.
I'll be back.
Shut up.
Oh, poach. Oh, foe.
Oh, my hunger is going down. How about you?
I am. Whoa!
Oh, there's a spider, Daniel.
Oh, kodaki.
You know what, guys? I'm gonna translate you. What's Kotaki in booger?
Booger.
Huh?
Ow!
Oh, he has 2 hearts. Kill them all! I killed the spider. Okay, I'm going up.
Let's go.
Wait,
Not
Daniel.
just me too.
Oh no, Daniel. I'm drowning, Daniel.
What are you doing like a baby?
I'm dead. I lost all my items. Just kidding. Oh yeah, I'm stuck.
있어서 내 죽어도 안 되지.
내가 우리 둘이 위해서. Let's go in. 그럼 내가 읽게.
Let's go.
Oh, what is this?
Not
Okay,
just me.
we are in. Wait, Daniel, there is some. What is inside?
Nothing.
Oh, there's emeralds. Emerald. Redstone. Wait, I think this is brewing time. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Why?
There's some chest over here either. Oh, okay. How about you? Daniel, did you get water bottle?
What's that? No, there is no water bottle.
Okay, so let's talk to it.
나
Ham.
황금 사과 있어.
But don't eat, okay? No, I think that's brewing.
No.
야, 이거 먹으면 안 돼.
알아,
내 생각에 이거
먹으면
하는
안
것 같아. 나도 이거 얻을 거야. Okay, let's do it. In Tao Y Voi Ki Q is Renan Ran Si O Xiao. 뭐야? Okay. Perto. Daniel, your forehead is not seeing. Dog, 야, 나 때리지 말고. 아!
네가 내 때렸어.
야, 나 2개 나왔다고.
먹어.
너 체력.
이거 빨리 감자 조금 줄까?
아,
감자
진짜.
조금 줄게.
황금상 한 개 줘.
됐지? 이거?
나 황금상 한 개 줘.
No.
Yeah. Okay, I'll not give you the potion. Then you can't go to the next
이거
level.
뭐야? 토끼의 발. 아.
Daniel, I'm so sorry. I can't give you the potion either. Then you can't go to the next level.
네 여기 있었는데? 여기 있잖아.
Whoa.
이거 여기 넣어줬잖아. 이거.
Thank you, Daniel. I'll give you the potion. Don't drink it, okay? It's inside the chest. If you drink it, you can't go. Because this is side. Mass versus zombies. Leave must items. Daniel, what is the next level? No, I think what is it, Daniel? Do you see that, Daniel?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a zombie and spider. We need to go that. I think that's the final level. Let's do this.
No. Where are you going?
There.
Like a baby?
Okay, Daniel. How can we kill this zombie? Can you? Because you have the diamond sword.
I cannot.
Shift.
이거 하면 안 떨어진다.
But don't jump, okay? You'll die.
안 때려줘. 됐다. 됐다.
Okay.
다가와. 조금 더. 됐다. 조금 더.
Okay. You can have the gear, Daniel. Okay? Wait, I'll get the gear. Oh, there's a zombie villager. Wait, how can you do this again? Daniel, be careful. I'm gonna back up because I might hit you, okay? How can we jump? Okay, I'm gonna jump and I'm gonna get the gear and I'm gonna give it to you. Awesome. Okay.
Oh!
What do you want? Boots or chest plate?
Anything.
Boots it has blast protection. Chest has nothing. Boot?
Nothing.
Boots?
Boots.
Okay. Oh, Daniel!
Oh.
Daniel, watch out! Your health is low.
Yeah.
Oh God!
Oh.
It's okay. I have the item. Remember? Oh jeez, there's a spider, Daniel!
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Are you okay?
Oh.
No! I will earn the item for you, Daniel. Ah! I'm dying! Oh, this is really hard. What's my heart at? Oh, Daniel, help me.
Creeper.
Ow!
Oh.
Daniel, you can... Oh, yeah.
Give me my item.
Wait, I'll kill the skeleton, okay, first? Use your diamond sword. Just run.
Run.
Run. Oh, come on. Die, skeleton! Don't bother away. Okay, wait, here's your diamond sword. And here's your cake. Here's your potion. I'll give you the... Daniel, watch out, you're back. Zombie. Yeah, I'll kill the zombie.
Oh, where's my potion?
Yeah, I'll give it back. Here. This is your potion.
Thank you. Oh.
This is your legs.
Okay.
And this is your cake.
Cake.
Yep. Here, have the cake. So
Okay, let's go.
Wait, we need to go there, the castle of doom. So Daniel, I think. Okay, so.
Oh, it's hard.
Wait, can we enchant? No.
There's no.
The last key. I think this is the last one here. Let's put our armor. Oh, I have the legs also. How can we jump that? Wait.
We can.
Wait, I'll do it first. No,
Oh.
that's not possible.
We should eat. Oh,
your item.
Oh,
because of my right?
Oh.
강호영, 너 있는 이유가 내가 그 치트 켜놔서 그렇지.
뭐야, 이거 자꾸 떨어져.
나 왠지 알아. 내가 여기서 스폰했거든. 다른 데서 왔거든. 강호 이제 우리들이 쓸 수 있어 치트. 치트 이제 우리들이 사용하기 안 나온다고. 어때? 우리들이 사용할 수 있어, 강호영.
그거 돼서 그런 걸? 업데이트?
어때? 좋냐? 미니맵 하면 니도 나와? 보여줘봐. 나연!
야, 좀 부셔 먹어야 되나?
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'll drink also. No, I'll drink first, okay? Yeah, I'll do first, okay? I think that's good, right? Because... Yeah, this is possible, Daniel.
Oh!
No, you need jump potion.
I need.
I thought you have. Oh, there's zombies. Okay. There's spawners, Daniel. There's spawners.
I don't have.
Why?
I don't have jump potion.
Why, did you drink?
Yes, I did.
Oh, Daniel. What did you drink? Wait. So I'll get the potion. Okay, I'll give you 8 in case. Hey, Daniel, can you die? I will make a spawn point, okay? Oh, I died.
Come here.
Wait. I think. Oh my God! The skeleton attacked me. Wait.
Faster!
Wait. I think I need to change my spawn point. Wait, Daniel. Wait for a while. Don't. I'll only drink the potion of leaping, and I'll just set the spawn point, and you will die, and I think you'll be spawned there. Hurt, because I'm good at jumps. Hurt.
Faster, you die.
Hurt. Hurt. See, Daniel, I'm pro at jumps.
Faster, you die. Ah.
I died because of you. You said, oh, Daniel! Why did you hit me?
여기 있는데?
Oh, who hit me then? Oh, there's a skeleton. Oh, Daniel!
Oh.
It's you! Keep on hitting me.
No, it's not.
Daniel!
Oh.
Stop hitting me.
나 안 했는데?
Really? Who is it then? Oh, it's a skeleton. I'm sorry. Wait, I'll drink, okay? Wait, Daniel, I'll do it one more time, and I will let you come, okay? Believe, Daniel, believe.
Faster!
Don't say you will die.
Faster!
Because I will
Faster,
die.
faster, faster!
Wait.
Faster!
Wait.
Faster!
Wait.
Faster!
Spawn point. Okay.
Faster!
Okay, Daniel. You can die, yeah.
Wow!
Wait, where will you spawn? Yeah, I told you, Daniel, right?
I'm gonna kill you.
Don't. Let's make it night. So, Daniel, there's spawners. Run. Wait, where is the inside?
Wow! Silverfish!
Oh my god, I hate those things.
Ah, it's so...
Annoying, right? Wait, is there entrance?
Oh!
Ow!
Oh.
There's spawners, Daniel. We need to run. Can we go
We
there?
should crash that one.
Wait, I think there's a way. No. Wait, do we need
Oh!
we need a key, Daniel, to go in.
Okay. We should crash that one.
Wait, I think I understand. Wait, can you disturb the silverfish or I put it in?
I will crash that one.
Okay. Let's go, Daniel. Let's go. Come here. Okay, I think the silverfish can come in also.
Jump.
Wait, this is a jump. Oh, I think. Can you? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can do it.
Oh.
Wait, I'll give you the jump potion. But I think Daniel, it's coming in. Let's jump so it won't follow us. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll do it first. Oh! Did you do it, Daniel?
Yes, I did. You should go here.
Oh! Did you die?
No. Come here. Oh, there's a villager.
Villager?
Oh.
You get the item and can you give it to me later? Okay?
There's nothing. No. Well.
Oh, I can't jump. Wait, I want to do jump
Oh,
potion.
yeah.
You
Right.
will be.
Hey, crash.
Wait, what? No. Wait, I will go there by flying.
Faster.
Wait.
Oh, you're
I think you can fly. Can you try? Fly?
not.
Oh, I think it's only me. Flying is only me. First thing, okay. Wait.
나는 거고.
Okay, I'll turn off the flying. So, let's try to crush. Wait. What did it say? Okay, just crush that.
Oh, what's that? Nothing.
Nothing.
Ta-da.
Did we win? I think we won, Daniel.
Finish?
Yeah, we did.
Not.
I think because there's no more. There's no more.
There.
Oh yeah, I think there. Maybe there. You need to do the last.
Oh, we should jump here.
Wait.
We should go down.
No, don't go down because there's no. Okay, let's just jump.
You?
Place the last. Oh no.
I
Do
can.
we have the sand?
What sand?
Oh god. There's a silverfish.
Oh.
Okay, after me. Daniel, help me. Okay, put the sand. Wait, do you have the sand?
Yeah.
Okay, put the sand inside the hole. I'm dying. No, Daniel.
Bing, bing, bing,
I'm
bing.
suffering.
Let's go.
Wait, what's my health at?
Oh, It's nice.
No, I died.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, Daniel. I died. Is it easy? I'm going. Oh,
야,
this
도구다 도구.
dog. We found our dog.
도구.
Doggy. Yes. We found our dog, Daniel. I think that's the end. Wait for me. No, silverfish. Don't kill him. That's our pet, okay?
Okay. Oh, I won.
Yeah, Daniel won. You asshole. Ugh.
나 그냥 오면 돼.
Yeah, no. I fell down because of silverfish.
Dog, hello.
Yay, we found
Come
our
here.
dog.
Oh, it's good.
Yay, doggy.
We should go.
Oh, Daniel, I think we can stand up him. Can you?
I can't.
Yeah, maybe he's my dog. Yay, we won, Daniel. Yay, GG.
Oh.
High five. High five.
Oh, high five.
Something in there. No more high five. No more high five.
Okay.
So credits. Oh, I broke this up. Credits to Victor, Daniel, and my friend is Daniel, not Victor. It's funny. Oh, Daniel.
Oh, what the hell?
It's not me. It's not me. Daniel, it's not me. It's the dog.
야, 이 도구가 떨어졌어, 도구.
Yeah, it's okay because the dog killed you. Almost killed you. So we're gonna end the video here. Daniel, say bye to YouTube.
Bye.
So I'm gonna kill Daniel and I'll be back. So let's kill Daniel.
No. No!
Yeah. I died.
Okay, bye-bye.
So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoy and bye-bye guys. Say that bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.